Hello friends and potential friends. Well, it's been another day when I didn't get to work directly on gardening. Today it was all about mowing. I had to get the back corner mowed because the water's going to start running tomorrow. And that means it'll be too wet back there for the next 4 or 5 days for me to get in there with the mower. So I had to get it done today. Plus, on top of that, tomorrow starts our irrigation days. So I had to get the main part of the lawn mowed. And then when I got that mowed, I had to go rake it all up and add it to my mulch pile because I plan on using all those cuttings in the garden if I ever get it finished put together. I'm actually recording this at pretty much the end of the day. Getting hot. We got it's about approaching 6 o'clock. Probably got about 3 more hours of daylight left. Days are pretty long up here, and it gets pretty hot, and it stays hot. But one of the things I've learned about Idaho is everything revolves around the water. I looked online before I ever came up here, found out that this area gets about 10 inches of rain a year, which is ridiculous. By my standards, I'm used to 60 or more. 10 inches a year, I don't know how they do it. But there's a lot of stuff growing around here, and they do a lot of irrigation. They have a saying around here, water is gold and land is silver. And I think the only reason that land is silver is because the more land you have, the more water rights you can get. But everything revolves around the water. I had to mow today because the water's coming in tomorrow. And then the water's going to be here for the next 3 or 4 days. And next Friday, I got to do some more ditch digging because the water should be gone enough to where I can dig again. It's really kind of crazy, but it's the way things work around here, and that's what I came up here to learn. So I'm trying to learn it, and I hope I'm learning it right. But anyway, I'm going to let you get on to what I was doing earlier. Probably set it to music because there wasn't a whole lot of talking going on. And we'll see if we can turn it into something that somebody might want to watch. But basically, it's just how I spent my day today. And that's about it. Oh, and incidentally, my supervisory committee decided to come up and visit with me for a little bit. I brought a few of the steers with them this time. That's nice. As you can see, there's quite a few of them out there. And that's still not all of them. There's old Bully right there in the middle. He's got to look after the ladies. Well, got it all raked up. That's actually 2 mowings right there. One about 3 weeks ago and the one today. That's going to be a lot of good mulch for the garden. Got plenty of twigs and branches to put in the bottoms of the beds for hugelkultur too. Okay, I'll see you next time.